Welcome to the AFS LOGICWALL delivery and installation video. AFS LOGICWALL is a permanent formwork walling system for multi-level structures, engineered for speed of construction. AFS LOGICWALL is produced in a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility and freighted to site using AFS's own logistics network, AFS Logistics. Once on site, the panel packs are unloaded using a custom-made pallet lifter by crane or with a Manitou. The first step in the installation of AFS LOGICWALL is the wall set-out, which is typically performed by the project surveyor. The floor track is then placed and fixed to the floor slab using a polyurethane adhesive and fastened with a masonry fixing gun. The panels are then erected by hand in teams of 3 men using a set technique, typically beginning at a corner. The first panel is lifted and lowered down over the reinforcement starter bars onto the floor track. The panels thereafter are aligned to the standing panel and lowered into place. Each panel joint is bonded using AFS structural adhesive and mechanically screwed off using self-tapping screws. The installation team of 3 men using this simple process can install between 100 to 150 metres squared of wall per day. When in place, the panels are temporarily braced at panel joints with purpose-built adjustable braces, which also serve to plumb and straighten the walls using a string line for accuracy. Once straightened, the walls are screwed off at panel joints and floor track. Horizontal reinforcement is placed in panels at intervals during the installation process, achieving bar overlaps as specified by the engineer. The unique AFS patented stud design provides ample room for reinforcement placement with hole centres at 200 mm. The vertical reinforcement is installed either off the formwork deck of the next floor slab or scaffolding. A unique feature of the AFS LOGICWALL system, the prefabricated corner panel, includes reinforcement corner bars, which are pre-installed at the time of production, ensuring continuous reinforcement to the project engineer's specification. Any panel opening or ends, such as windows and some door openings, are closed with the end cap system, consisting of galvanised C-channel lined with fibre cement. Alternatively, fire-rated door frames can be installed and core-filled with the walls, achieving monolithic fire-rated frames. Electrical services can be installed from the top of the panels prior to core filling. Hydraulic services are typically fixed on the outside of the wall, which is then battened and sheeted over or installed in a discontinuous stud wall. AFS LOGICWALL provides edge form for external wall slab junctions and is manufactured to suit your slab thickness. This reduces the formwork package and eliminates exposed slab edges. The erected walls are now ready for core filling with concrete, which is covered in our next video in the series, Concrete Core Filling and Vibration. For further information, contact AFS today on 1300 727 237 or visit afswall.com.au.